Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover some problem of exponent from class 9 mathematics, and the problem are as follows. So the first one is 3 multiplied by, inside the bracket it is a raised to power 4, b raised to power 3 whole power 10 multiplied by 5, and inside the bracket it is a square b square and it is whole cube. So in such type of question, first we have to open the brackets, and the most important is that we should be aware of the laws of exponent, and we have to see when to use which law. So let's do it. So here in this case we have, I can write, here we have 3. So let's start. We know that, we know if I have a as a base and m as a power and whole power is n, then simply this power gets multiplied with each other. So we have to use the same concept over here and here. So let's do it. This is 3, this is a 4 multiplied by 10, b 3 multiplied by 10, and this one is multiplied by 5, and this is, let me do it simply. This is 2 multiplied by 3, which is a power 6, and this is also b power 6. Now after this one, if I see here, I can do it. A power, this is 40, this is b power 30 multiplied by 5, a power 6, b power 6. Now simply multiply this number outside the bracket, which gives you 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and inside the bracket we have, this is just pair this number having base a together and base b together. So we have a power 40 multiplied by a power 6, and this is multiplied by b power 30 multiplied by b power 6. Now this after this we know that, when the base are same, then the powers get added. So simply use that law and get the answer, which is 15. And this is a power 40, and say plus 6 is a power 46, and this is b power 30 plus 6, which is b power 36. So the answer of this given problem is 15 a raised to power 46 b raised to power 36. I hope this is clear. Now let's do the second part. Now the second part is, this is equals to, again we have to follow the same law. That means we have to use this law again. So here if I multiply this 3 with all these 3 numbers, then what I get is, let me first write it like this. This is 2 power x 3. This is equals to, now if I make a cube of each number inside the bracket, what I get is 2 power 3, and this is x minus 2 multiplied by 3, this is y power 3, this is multiplied by 3. Now this simply give us, what it gives is, this is 2 power 3 is 8, the cube of 2 is 8, and this is x power minus 6, and this is y power 9. So this is the answer of this second part. I hope this one is easy on. Now again the third one is, here we have some numbers, and in such type of question what we have to do is, first we have to bring this number part one side and this base 10 number to one side. That will be easy for us to simplify. So let's do it. This is equals to, 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 power 7 multiplied by 10 power minus 5, and this is whole divided by 8 multiplied by 10 power 4. Now this is equals to, this is I suggest you, if this thing cut each other here without multiplication, then simply do it first before multiplication. So this is 4, and 2 times of 4 is 8, so I can simply write this is 2 times, and this is 2, and 2 times of 3 is 6, so this is 3, and here the base are same, so the powers get added. This is 7 plus minus 5 is 10 power 2, now divided by 10 power 4. Now this is equals to, if I bring this 10 power 2 to the denominator part, then it's simply the power of the numerator gets subtracted from this one. So I get 10 power 4 minus 2, and this is equals to 3 10 power 2. Now what it gives is, this is simply equals to 3 divided by 100. Okay, 10 power 2 is equals to 100. So the answer of this third part is 3 divided by 100. I hope these three questions are clear. Now let me do three more such type of question. So let's do it. So I have written the three question over here. So the fourth one is, this is 4 multiplied by a, and this is multiplied b square, and inside the bracket it is minus 5a b3. Now divide whole divided by 10, a raised to power 2 a square, and this is b square. Now again what we have to do is, first we have to bring this number part one side, which is equals to, this is 4 multiplied by minus 5, and this is a b square multiplied by a b cube, and whole divided by, this is 10 a square b square. This is equals to, now if I make the simplification over the number part, then I get this 5. Okay, 5, 2 times of 5 is 10, so this is equals to minus 4, okay, multiplied by, this is 1 upon 2 multiplied by, this is, since the base, okay, the number having the base same, their power gets added, so this is a. If there is no power, that means it is 1, so a raised to 1, this is also a raised to 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, this is a square. Now after that, this is 2 and 3, which is equals to 5, whole divided by, it is a square b square. Okay, now this is equals to 2, and 2 times of 2 is 4, so this is simply equals to minus 2, and here we get this a square will cancel out this a square. Now this v2 when sent to the upper part, then its power gets subtracted from the power of numerator. So this is equals to minus 2, and b power, this is 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3. So the answer of this part is minus 2 multiplied by b cube. I hope this is also clear. Now let's see the fifth one. Here in this case we can see that the whole power number is not known, that means it is a variable. So in such type of question, what we have to do is simply multiply this variable with the power of each number inside the bracket. So I get, what I get is, this is simply, let me do it directly, this is x power 2n, y power 2n, whole divided by, this is a power 2n, b power 3n. Now since all the bases are different, so we cannot make further simplification. The answer of this question is only this much. Now the last one is, the sixth one is, here we have, this is equals to, now again we have to make, okay, just see it over here that this power, whole power 6, is only for the number that is in numerator. Okay, it is not for the denominator. As you can see, it is not whole raised to power 6, it is only the bracket is over the numerator part only. So let's do it. If I multiply this number inside this power, so what I get is a, this is 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, and minus, this is 6 multiplied by 9 is 54, divided by, this is a 2n minus 4. Now what I have to do is, since the base are same, that means this power of the denominator gets subtracted from the power of numerator. So what I get is a, this is 18n minus 54, this is minus 2n minus 4. Friends, whenever you bring more than two numbers, okay, with the operation subtraction, just put it inside the bracket, it will decrease your chances of making mistake. So this is equals to a 18n minus 54, this is plus multiplied by minus is minus 2n,
This is minus into minus is plus 4. Now this is equals to 8a, 18n minus 2n is 16n, and this is minus 50. Okay,
minus 54 plus 4 is minus 50. So the answer of this part is a raised to power 16 and minus 50. I hope all these 6 parts were clear. Now let us see some more question, but that will be of different type. So let's do it. So friend, I have written the question over here. So these questions are slightly different from the previous one, but these are not of difficult levels. So let's do it. So here the question is saying if a is equals to 3, that means the value of a is equals to 3 and the value of b is equals to minus 2, then what we have to find is a raised to power a plus b raised to power b. So in such type of question, what we have to do is first put the value. So this is equals to, if I say a is to a, that means it is 3 raised to power 3. Okay, the value of a is 3, that's why I put 3 in place of a, plus this is minus 2 raised to power minus 2. Okay, because the value of b is equals to minus 2. Now what I get is this is equals to 3 raised to power 3 minus, not minus, let it be plus. Okay, now if I make the reciprocal of this term, then the power of this number gets into positive 1. So I get 1 upon, this is minus 2 raised to power 2. So the answer will be this, the cube of 3 is 27 and this is plus the square of minus 2 is equals to 4, right? Now this is equals to, what I get is, if I take the LCM, okay, LCM of this two number, I get 4. So if I multiply 4 with 27, what I get is 4, okay, 7 times of 4 is 28, 8 to carry, and this is 4 to 8, 10, 108 plus 1, which is simply equals to 109 divided by 4. So the answer of the first question is 109 divided by 4. Similarly, you can do the second part, which is saying a raised to power b plus b raised to power a. In such type of question, again we have to first put the value, which is a is 3 and b is minus 2. This is plus and b is minus 2 and a is 3, right? So what I get is this is equal to, since the power, okay, power of this term is negative, that means I have to make a reciprocal of this one. So this is equal to 1 3 raised to power 2 and this is minus, okay, the cube of any negative number is again negative, so this is minus, and the cube of 2 is 8. Now this is equals to 1 upon, this is 3 square, which is 9 minus 8. So what I get is equals to, this is, if I take the LCM of this two number, it is simply equals to 9, and this is 1 minus 8 times of 9 is 72, which gives us minus 71 upon 9. This is minus 71 upon 9. So the answer of the second part is minus 71 upon 9. Now this is the last part of this type of question. So here again we have to first put the value of a and b. So this is equals to, the value of a is 3 and the value of b is minus 2. So this is minus 2 and whole raised to, this is ab, which is 3 multiplied by minus 2. Now what I get is 3, this is plus minus minus, okay, 3 minus 2 is 1 and this is raised to power minus 6. Now we know that this can be written as, okay, 1 upon 1 raised to power 6. I did the reciprocal and here the answer is 1 by 1, which is equals to 1. Friends, just remember that whatever the power of 1 it is, it will always give us 1 as an answer, but the sign differs as per the power. If the power is even, then it will give us the positive 1, and if the power is odd, then it will give us negative 1 as an answer. I hope these two questions is clear to you, and if you found this video helpful, then please do share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel for more such video. Till then, practice hard, stay safe, see you in next video.